Hi, my name is Kristen and I'm a writing tutor at the Writing Resource Center. Today I'm going to do a crash course on commas. Commas have many uses, so today I'll only be focusing on commas and fanboys. Now let's jump into our example. I was hungry, I had an apple. This is an example of a fused sentence because there are two independent clauses and they're not joined by any other punctuation. If we jump into the next line, I was hungry, comma, I ate an apple, you'll see that it's joined by a comma, but this is what's called a comma splice. So with comma splices, you have your punctuation, but you don't have your fanboy or just coordinating conjunction. So it's still not correct. I was hungry, I ate an apple. It has the pause, but it's not quite there yet. Now, let's look at the third line. I was hungry, so I ate an apple. Here you have your comma and your fanboy. This would be the appropriate way to write that sentence. So there are other uses for commas that I listed below. You can use them to make lists after introductory clauses, words, phrases that come before the main clause, in the middle of sentences to set off clauses, phrases, or words that are non-essential to the sentence's meaning, to separate two or more coordinating adjectives that describe the same noun, and to indicate a pause or shift at the end of the sentence. So, as I said before, there are more uses, but that's why we're here to help. So please come visit the WRC. Thank you.